Good afternoon, everyone. So, as you may know by now, everyone is pretty much up in a frenzy about this coronavirus. I hope all is well with you and your family. You probably went out and not only has the tissue paper and the soap and the hand sanitizers have sold out, which is just crazy. Please calm down, everyone. There is an alternative. So I just want to show you a quick DIY of a hand sanitizer that you can make. So what you're going to need, get yourself a measuring cup. Okay, and you're going to need, if you can find it, rubbing alcohol. Now it's best if you have at least, 90% and up of rubbing alcohol. That's more effective for a hand sanitizer, but just for this video purpose, I'm just showing you this one. Okay, you're also going to need a 99% of aloe vera gel here. Okay, and if you have glycerin, that would be great. If not, you could use our Argan Oil as well as jojoba oil to make sure that it will be moisturizing, because you don't want to dry out your hands. Okay, if your hands become dry and they crack, you could break your skin. And if you do that, that's just going to allow an opening for viruses to get into your body, and we do not want that. That's a no-no. And then you're going to need essential oils, specifically antibacterial essential oils like our peppermint essential oil here. We're also going to be using rosemary essential oil as well. Now, if you have oregano oil, I don't know if you can see it right here. If you have oregano oil, that's also antibacterial. You can use it as well. But for this video, we're going to be using as well as lavender essential oil. Hopefully you can see that. Okay, looks a little bit blurry here, but you get my drift. And then we have tea tree. This up a bit, tea tree essential oil. Okay, so let's get down to it. So we're going to use, I already have it poured out here. So we're going to use 1 cup of rubbing alcohol. Pour that in here. Okay. And we're also going to use 1/4 cup of aloe vera gel. Okay. And we're also going to use, which I love dearly, some argan oil. So we're going to use a 1/3 cup of argan oil. Again, if you don't have that, you could order it from us. I'll leave it in the description box. Or you can use glycerin. We also carry jojoba oil. Okay. Mix that in there as well. Okay. Just gonna stir that in a bit. There we go. Stir it. Okay, lovely. And now the fun part. So you could use, I'm going to be doing 20 drops of each of these 4 effective antibacterial essential oils that I had mentioned earlier. So I'm going to use about 5 drops of each of them. You could use 10 to 15 drops or 10 to 20 drops. For me, I'm doing 20 drops. So the first one up is peppermint. Okay, so I'm gonna get peppermint out here, and let's count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, lovely. And we're gonna do, this one is the rosemary. Okay. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops, a little bit more than 5 there. It smells so good. And just to let you know that rosemary essential oil, that does act as a preservative as well. Okay. And now we got ourselves lavender, South African lavender essential oil. It smells so yummy. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 more for the team. 5. There we go. And then we're going to use tea tree. Okay, if you find tea tree too strong, then you don't have to use it, but I find it extremely effective, so we're going to drop 5 in here as well. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a little bit more than 5 coming out. That's all good. Okay. All right. You don't have to stir now. You could actually wait till it's in the bottle and shake, but I just want to prefer to do that. Stir that around. Okay. Now, here's the fun part. Now, since everyone wants to, you know, sell everything in the store, if you're having issues finding bottles, we carry different bottles. So you could find different sizes, you know, travel size. We also have the amber bottle. So you could check our website. We'll have that on there as well. All right. So then now you're going to get your funnel here, get your empty bottle, and you're going to pour. Okay. Just to let you know for that one. And this one's more of a pump. So this is great if you're out on the road and you know you have to go grocery shopping and you don't want to touch the cart. You know, you could shake this up a bit and there you go. Okay. Awesome. All right, and now you want to make sure when you spray your hands with the hand sanitizer to keep your hands wet for at least 20 seconds without drying it. Make sure air dries. Okay. And I'm just going to fill up some more just for the purposes of this video, just to give you an idea what it looks like. So we also carry bottles in pumps as well as sprays. Okay. And you can make so much for your family as well as your friends. Okay. We also will be carrying, due to the demand, we had a lot of our clients contact us in regards to that they couldn't find any sanitizers. So we will have selling hand sanitizers, natural organic hand sanitizers. It will not be this recipe, obviously, since it's a product, we can't give you that recipe, but this is equally effective as well that you could use. You just shake that up as well. Okay, so stay safe. You know, just relax. When you breed fear within yourself, then you will attract that. So Mother Nature, you know, God always provides something from creation for us, and this is a great alternative. So don't fret if you don't have this. Now, if you're having issues trying to find rubbing alcohol, there's many other alternatives that you could use, like rubbing alcohol alternatives such as grain alcohol, witch hazel, Dettol, spelled D-E-T-T-O-L, apple cider vinegar, ethanol. I know people are using, I guess, spirits or whatever from you can go to your local liquor store and figure that out and ask them there. I don't know I don't drink alcohol, so I wouldn't know what exactly, but I've heard that's what people are using, vodka, things like that, if you can't find the rubbing alcohol. Okay. Again, make sure you get at least 90% and up, 99% even better. If you can't find it, don't fret. Okay. We actually, in ours, we will be carrying the 90% and up rubbing alcohol in it, and which is also known as medical grade rubbing alcohol. Okay. So till next time, guys, keep safe, and you have a great alternative. You have your own hand sanitizer, so don't freak out, all right? Have a good one. Peace and love.